So these are all the stuff that I got from Shein. I really wanted to do an unboxing or unpacking video. I will also film videos in which I am gonna model all of these blouses. I'm really excited. So yeah, I will just try them out and I'm gonna show you. Ciao everyone! So this is gonna be the Shein haul. This is gonna be the try on of all the blouses and tops that I got from Shein. So these are all the clothes. They are packaged individually. Let's start opening them up. So this is size extra small 34 EU and US 2. Here it is. I would have wanted it more to be on the rose pink side, but I think it is leaning towards the nude color, but it's okay, I don't mind. Just as long as the blouse is a nice fit for my body, and I think it is very loose, very airy. That's why I like it. I think it fits me very nicely. Even the length is okay. I mean, I'm wearing my home shorts. I think it is also okay to tuck it in. So this is gonna be another style that you can do, I guess, if you have like a high-waisted shorts or jeans or pants or even skirts, I think. So it's really nice. I like it so much. Even the size is perfect. So if you have the same body frame as mine, then you would have to pick up extra small. I am really small. I'm a very petite girl, so I think this is really nice. I love it. You can also just wear it loosely like that without tucking it in if you want to. And then the second one is extra small again. And this is EU 34 and 2 US. Again, same style. Kind of same style but different color. I think the length is also perfect. It's not really that short, it's not cropped, and it's really not that long. So I like it so much. Even here it's just perfect. And I love that it's floral. It's very classic. Nothing fancy. It's not even something that is unique. It's just a simple everyday blouse that you can wear casually. And I am more after into blouses and tops that of course fit my body, but at the same time really loose. I want my skin to breathe. I want my body to be all airy. Yeah, it's really cute. Okay, third blouse right here. This is again extra small, EU 34 and US 2. This is the classic white blouse. Again, I think this fits my petite frame, as you can see. It's kind of long, but it's alright. This is more for me a blouse for my job. We always wear like a blazer. I don't like the collar at all. I think they made it very high, like very high, as you can see. So I cannot even put it this way, but it's alright. That's the little defect right there that I didn't like. Nonetheless, everything is fine. I like the color. It's pure white, very good for office outfit. Also here, it's all airy, very loose, but fits at the same time, so I really like it. Let's check the fourth blouse or top. This is small, EU 36 and US 4. Same style as the white one. But I think this is the last size. I don't think they have the extra small, so unfortunately I don't really like the boxy shape right here on my body. The other one that I don't like is the color. I don't know why they did it so high. It's really hard to put it up like this or maybe like that. I don't know. It's triangular and I don't like it. I have to see the receipt if this is an item that I can exchange for something else if they don't have the extra small one. This is also something that I can put or tuck inside my pants. I don't know how this will look. What do you think? Yeah, it's a little bit, you know, I don't know. I'm gonna think about it. Wow, this is so transparent. This is extra small 34 EU and 2 US. I'm surprised because I like it. It is very, very white and very transparent, as you can see. But I think I can have something inside, like I could wear a bra top or something, and I think I will be okay. There are other colors, to be honest with you. If I can remember well, I don't know why I chose white. Maybe because it's really, really pleasant to the eyes, and I think during the warm weather, it's cooler to wear lighter colors instead of dark ones. I think out of all the blouses that I got, I think this is what I like the most. Okay guys, there's another one that I wasn't able to show you earlier, but anyway, I'm gonna show you now. This is also extra small, EU 34 and US 2. Again, same problem. The color, I'm not a fan. They look weird to me. The color is also not what I expected. I think I ordered black. I don't know why gray, or I don't know what this is, gray, brown or something, arrived instead of black. I'm not sure, maybe this is their black. I don't know, but I'm gonna check. But I think I chose black anyway. So this is shorter than the other blouses, as you can see. The other thing that I noticed about this is here on my shoulders. I don't like it. It's too wide. I don't know, it's kind of a little bit weird right here. I am not convinced. I don't know why. I'm gonna think about it. Okay, so those are the try-ons, and wow, Shein. I am pleasantly surprised because out of all the blouses that I picked up, only 2 are the ones that are quote-unquote fail, but actually not really. I mean, I can still manage if I have to keep them, if I won't be able to return them or exchange them for something else. I can still keep them. It's not that bad. It's not like I really hate them or something, but these are the 2 that are the ones that I can say I like the least, while the others are I really like them. I am really satisfied. They do fit me well. I am very petite. Again, like what I said, it's really hard for me to buy blouses in a lot of negozio, in a lot of shops, because the last size is small, and most of the time small doesn't even fit me at all. So thank you, Shein. Thank you that you have extra small. Oh my gosh. So I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. I invite you to subscribe to my channel. Give this a thumbs up. Please share with me your experience about buying from the website called Shein. I am not sponsored at all, but I just want to share with you my haul, and I hope this gave you any idea. If you want to go and check out their website, go ahead. I mean, there are lots of interesting clothing right there. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video. Ciao!